I and I wall. Clear? Yes. And thereafter inner spiral rain band. Which one I said that? Inner spiral rain band, outer spiral rain band. Then I said that, which I said that I wall, inner spiral rain band, outer spiral rain band. Then I talked about annular zone. Which zone? Annular zone. Which one I said? I wall, spiral rain band. Which are the two spiral rain band? Inner, outer. Then annular zone. Then convective cloud. Which I said? I wall, spiral rain band. Which are the two spiral rain band? Inner, outer. And thereafter I talked about annular zone and convective cloud. यहाँ पे विंड फास्ट मूव कर रहा है, लेकिन साइक्लोन से थोड़ा सा दूर जाओगे तो विंड विल बी व्हाट? स्लोली मूविंग. सारे विंड तो नहीं पहुंच रहे हैं, दे स्लोली एंड स्लोली दे स्टार्टेड राइजिंग अप. So it is in a giving in a, I said, which way I said that? Inner spiral rain band, and there will be some kind of what? Cumulus nimbostratus cloud, cumulus nimbostratus, understood? And some altostratus, altocumulus भी दे सकते हैं. Altocumulus you can say also. Clear? इनर स्पाइरल रेन बैंड, यहाँ पे थोड़ा ज्यादा मॉइस्चर आएगा. अब आउटर स्पाइरल रेन बैंड, स्पीड इज कंपेरेटिवली सबसे ज्यादा यहाँ पर. फिर जैसे जैसे दूर जाओगे स्पीड इज, एंड जब स्पीड ज्यादा दूर होगा तो क्या होगा? इतने बड़े रीजन में धीरे धीरे मूव कर रहा होगा. तो यहाँ पे क्लाउड विल बी फर्दर मूविंग लाइक दिस, एंड देयर इज एन आउटर स्पाइरल रेन बैंड. अंडरस्टूड? ये क्या होगा? आई वॉल से इनर स्पाइरल रेन विल बी वाइडर, क्योंकि स्पीड इज लेस, सो इट इज मूविंग इन द लार्जर एरिया. आउटर स्पाइरल रेन बैंड धीरे धीरे बड़े एरिया में ऐसे मूव कर रहा है. इट इज एन आउटर स्पाइरल रेन बैंड. सो हु विल बी, हुज I said that length will be more, and then there is a diameter will be more. So yes, tell me, outer spiral. So I wall से ज़्यादा कौन सा होगा? Yes, tell me. Inner से ज़्यादा कौन होगा? Outer. Understood it? And thereafter ये क्या है? यहाँ पे air will come in the clockwise fashion started diverging. In the clockwise, so it is an I, inner and outer, and the upper air is what? Diverging in which form? Clockwise fashion. Yes, in which form? Clockwise fashion. And after that, आपको बताया था मैंने, low pressure, high pressure, and after certain period they will start descending down. Yes or not? Low pressure तक पहुँचते पहुँचते they will what? Descending down. The reason where it started descending down, that is known as annular. Yes. So that becomes, I said, annular zone, and that is becoming, yes, tell me, outer spiral rain band. और यहाँ पे कौन सा क्लाउड बनेगा? Cumulus nimbostratus. ज़्यादा हाइट में. Understood? Cumulus nimbostratus, all are giving rainfall and slowly moving. Understood it? Clear? Yes. And after descending down, it will become what? High pressure. When the air is descending, so it will become high pressure zone. It means what? Just tell me. It means what? Annular zone. This is, I said, that inner spiral rain band, outer spiral rain band. Understood it? Inner spiral rain band, outer. और जहाँ wind उतर रहा है, it becomes high pressure and started moving toward this. It is an annular zone. लेकिन जब यहाँ उतर रहा है, if it is going toward this, it is more low pressure. but some will also move toward this. If it is high pressure, this side will be also low pressure. So some are moving away, and when some are moving away, तो ये moisture sea surface से लेके it will make ना some cloud, convective cloud, convection. Which cloud it will form? Some convecting cloud out of the cyclone. Out of the understood. So where the wind आपको लगे कि यहाँ कुछ नहीं है, उसके बाद भी क्या होगा, एक cloud will be there. Understood? It is okay to all of you? So what is the structure? I said that I, its length is, its diameter is 15 to 50 kilometer. What is the diameter of I? 15 to 50 kilometer. Understood? What is the diameter of the I? And around the eye, and it is very calm and very warm, low pressure center. And thereafter I said that, tell me, eye wall where the wind is circulating with the high speed, and its speed can become, I said, tell me, at different speeds. And if it is a 210, 230, that you know that what it will become, super cyclone, super typhoon. And there is an cumulonimbus cloud and giving torrential rainfall. And it can be around, its thickness of the eye wall will be 50 to 150 kilometer. It can be what? What it will, it can be? आपके नोट्स में भी पिक्चर वगैरह बना होगा. 52, and thereafter inner spiral rain band, its thickness is what is more than eye wall, and outer spiral rain band, it is more than inner spiral band, and they are giving rainfall comparatively less than eye wall in the form of cumulus nimbostratus. Yes. After spiral rain band, this is the zone where the wind is, air is descending, and that is known as annular zone. After descending, some air moves, most of the air moves towards low pressure of the cyclone, and some air is moving away from the cyclone, and it creates convective cloud. Understood? Yeah. When the air is moving away, when the cloud in the upper started diverging and in clockwise fashion diverging, so this will form large number of cirrus cloud, cirrostratus. लेयर में जब स्प्रेड होने लग जाता है तो कौन सा क्लाउड बनता है? स्ट्रेटस. So it will form which cloud? Cirrus or cirrostratus cloud. And then anywhere in the upper atmosphere, if you are watching large number of cirrus and cirrostratus, it is an indication of coming of cyclone. Tropical, क्योंकि इसी केस में बहुत सारे बन सकते हैं. And if आपने ये पिक्चर देखा है, इसी केस में large amount of what? Cirrus cloud can be formed. And cirrus cloud formation in large amount, it is an indication of coming of cyclone. Which cyclone? Tropical cyclone. Completely okay in your mind? Yes. Weak shear force. This structure is clear, and इसको कौन सा structure बोलते हैं? Vertical structure. Which structure? Able to get it? Vertical structure of the cyclone. Shear force. Shear force क्या होता है? I said that this is in a substance. पहले भी मैंने समझाया होगा. If I am giving more force onto this and less force also this, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? It will bend like this. तो इसको कौन सा force कहते हैं? Shear force. और ज़्यादा shear force होगा तो more bend, and less shear force होगा तो less bend. साइक्लोन को कौन मूव करा रहा है? प्रेशर ग्रेडियंट और स्टर्ली वेव्स फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट. सपोज दिस इज अ साइक्लोन 10 to 12 किलोमीटर हाई, एंड यहां पे जो इसको मूव करा रहा है, आई सेड दैट इधर से जो इसको मूव करा रहा है 15 किलोमीटर पर आवर से, और नीचे से 10 किलोमीटर, तो अपर स्ट्रक्चर विल मूव अवे. Yes or not? एंड नीचे लोअर स्ट्रक्चर, बाबा जी का ठुल्लू, वो तो चला गया जो खींच रहा था. साइक्लोन फिनिश्ड. So shear force should be there or negligible shear force be there or weak? Negligible or weak. Otherwise upper structure will, vertical structure will get disturbed. Yes or not? Therefore, when the cyclone is moving towards the pressure gradient, they should have very weak shear force. Otherwise, vertical structure will remove and the cyclone formation in between get hindrance and it will be death of before the developing cyclone. Understood it? समझ में आ गया? So which are the factors we talked about? First, large supply of warm water means sea surface temperature will be 26.5 degrees Celsius or more till the depth of. Then after I said presence of group of iron. Then I said upper air. Then I said presence of ITCZ and Corliss force. Corliss force देख रहे थे बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा था. साइक्लोन यही बन गया. Then I talked about Stirling wave और वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ समझाया. Thereafter I talked about weak shear force and atmospheric instability. So factors आपका फिनिश हो गया है. Rest will finish. समझ में आ गया? साइक्लोन so easy हाँ. कल मिलते हैं. टिल आप लोग थोड़ा सा, कई लोग बहुत लेट आते हैं.